Amy. This past spring, we got the kids, age 9 and 14, a new puppy. They've had a blast playing with Brewski every day. My older daughter especially got close to the pup, and she feeds him, walks him every morning and night, grooms him, and even sleeps with him. She's already talking about how she'll miss him when school starts. But what about Brewski? Should I be concerned? Do you have any tips to help keep my daughter and the puppy happy and me sane? Well, with August, and it is August when I'm recording this, back to school is in everybody's mind, and yes, it's a fun time to get in all of the last minute fun stuff with the kids and with the puppy, but you're right. When things change, any kind of a change in routine can upset the status quo, put your puppy's tail in a twist, and some of those little guys can suffer some separation behavior problems. We used to call it separation anxiety, but honestly, they're not always anxious. Some puppies just throw a big party when you're gone, and they unstuff the sofa cushions and, take things out of the wastebasket and just really have a wonderful time. But other puppies do get very seriously anxious. Even adult dogs do. Perhaps your high school age child has graduated and is off to college, and it's hard to explain to the dog. So since it's routine that upsets things when it changes, start now. Figure out who's going to be feeding Brewski in the early morning and in the afternoon if he's a puppy. If it's an adult dog, have somebody else take over some of those care issues that are so important to dogs. If right now, if he's being walked certain times of the day, maybe you or your husband or one of the other kids can take over that. Play games. Favorite games, find special times, special things that really identify your dog and you together, and that can really help ease the transition. One really fun, positive things that you can do with the dogs, especially when the kids go off to school, is identify that time of day when the children leave with something that's super duper special for the dog. Maybe it's a treat, maybe it's a game that the only time they get that is when the kids go out the door in the morning. So the departure no longer is a problem for the puppy, but is maybe even something they look forward to. And if you can get them over that first 15 to 20 minute hump after the kids have left, usually they're okay the rest of the day.